Hi guys, it's Beige. Today we're doing no brush makeup challenge. I'm going to be using only my fingers to do my full face of makeup. I hope you will enjoy it. This hair is gonna annoy me. I should have pinned my hair up. I'm just mixing my foundation here and I don't actually know what I'm going to do. That is light. And also a lie. I know exactly what I'm doing and you know also because I put it in the title. You hate me already? I think I hate myself. This is too light. I need a darker foundation. You know what? Now I realize how much foundation gets wasted on brushes, but to be honest, I never like to do my foundation with hands. I know it's really good and I know it will look awesome. It's just I don't want to wash my hand after I use it. I don't want to have to get up to the sink and then wash my hands in the middle of doing my makeup, you know? I am a lazy person. Do you know what? This actually looks gorgeous. The finish. Can you see it? Can you see the finish? Maybe I should do that. Why am I holding my hand like this? This one is not dirty. Gorgeous. Concealer, but I need it on my hand and then apply. We're using no tools, so I need to put stuff on my hand. Does this mean I can't use mascara? How am I gonna do powder? I just love it that I picked it up with this hand, the dirty one, and the clean one I'm holding like this. I mean, just somebody ate my brain cells, I guess. I'm gonna use loose powder because somehow I feel like this might work. Cut to me f***ing it up. How am I gonna dust this off? Okay. We're rocking panda eyes. This is 2000s makeup, you know? When panda eyes were discovered by overusing of concealer. It's too light for your skin tone. Alright, so my under eyes are now very crusty, I would say. I love to powder here because makeup gathers so fast. Look, it's not that bad. In a pinch, I think this actually works. Let's do the eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using this palette. This is face paint basically, but cream black.
What?
Work. Okay. I know what you're thinking. This is just a spoof video. No, we're gonna try to make it good. Let's try. I'm really going to try to recreate that look. God knows why I'm doing this. God knows why she did this. I literally even have a reference photo in front of me because I'm gonna try to make this good. This is just a base layer, you know? We're gonna layer eyeshadow on top. We're gonna layer black on top. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Don't click off. Honestly, it's gonna be good. This is very hard to do with fingers. I'm gonna do it with the side. Ooh, wait. Actually, it's not bad. Let me take this other foundation one. Look, it's not bad. The makeup artist who did this look was looking at it and saying that the whole time they were making it. And somehow, at the end, they let her actually perform in this look. So, I'm not gonna judge. This was a happy accident. It's all gonna work out. This one is thick and long, and this one is thinner and shorter. It's coming together. Trust the process. So they were telling her, you know, on the end they were like, well, we don't have time anymore to do different looks. So I need to stop saying that because somebody might actually take this to heart. Like if you're an actual fan and you think this is good, I'm so sorry. That's all I'm gonna say. This is longer, but I feel like I'm gonna f it up because my finger's too thick. Wait, I kind of slide. I'm just gonna do this like happy accident way and just trust in my artistic abilities to make it look good at the end. Okay, you know what? I'm slaying. Am I doing this right? I think I am actually doing this right. Why I'm doing all of this with my left hand, I have no idea. It would be much easier with the right hand. I was told when I was little that I'm right-handed, but maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm both-handed, however that's called. I think I just did this. I just did it. I'm starting to look like her. I don't think I like it. Look, for doing it with my fingers only, it's not that bad. Another happy accident. I don't know how I'm going to do... The question shouldn't be how, the question should be why. Beige, why? I don't fucking know. Okay, let me move on to the other face paint. This one you activate with water. Pro tip, if you want it to actually last longer, activate with setting spray. This is setting spray bottle, but water inside, because I'm not wasting setting spray on this look. The problem is I don't have that much black left, and I feel like this is going to take a lot of black. So we might have to go to plan C at some point. Yes, bitch, that's the ticket. That's the ticket to making it blacker. Okay, new plan. I don't think I have enough black to finish this look. Since there's no tools, only fingers, we're gonna apply eyeshadow. Black eyeshadow. This will actually take me ages. Filling this up with black, just with my finger. Ooh. Got scared of myself. Girl, this is not working the way I wanted it to work. I don't think you can do this with eyeshadow. What is my life? Look, I think the eyeshadow just makes it worse, to be honest. You would need a brush. You need a brush. I need a brush. I want to know, like, when they were doing this look, did they do it and they actually thought it looked good? Or they did the look and they were like, yes, bitch, work. So she was like, okay, then work. Let's go and record a music video. Or did she look at it and cry and then they convinced her it's good? Or I don't get it. I just don't get it. No offense if you like it. So many people dislike that music video. But you know you dislike it, you watch it like this, but then that song is stuck in your head and you're actually contemplating to buy it on iTunes. Me. Maybe she gave a job as a makeup artist to like her 16-year-old cousin who likes makeup, and she was like, let's do something crazy, you know, let's do something cool, let's do something out of the box and fun. As you can see, there's not much I can do in those thinner places. I don't know if this was on purpose. I'm literally contemplating my life choices right now. Like, what did I actually do to get here? How did I get here? Why did I get here? Look, I'm always trying to do something funny for you guys. I don't know if you're gonna find this funny or just offensive, but I find it funny. So I guess one of us is gonna laugh. Honestly, I'm kind of slaying this look. Only with my fingers. I actually watched the video and to be honest, I don't think the song is that bad. The song is fine. If you're like 12 and you like pop, you can vibe to it. It's fine. The actual chorus is stuck in my head, so it must be doing something good to be a hook or to have a hook. Is this rhinestones or glitter? Because if it's rhinestones, I'm not doing that. Actually, if it's glitter, I'm not doing it either. Like, let's open the box of glitter. Black glitter. It doesn't want to open. It's because it knows. Oh, how am I gonna take this off? No. No! Stop smudging! Everywhere is dirty. That's the problem. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. This is the moment when they were applying the rhinestones or the glitter or whatever they apply. That's when they were like, ooh, this works. I don't know how I'm gonna take this off, but to be honest, it starts to look like I intentionally did this. Does she have any on her lips? I don't care. I'm gonna put some holographic glitter because I feel like her rhinestones are hollow. Why am I doing this? Oh my god, this is everywhere. Oh my god. Somehow this is even better. Wait. This is good, right? Now I understand. Why would she go out with this on? There's just something that happens when you put glitter on. Everything just looks so much better, and they probably were like, this looks so good, let me add a crown of jewels here and crown of jewels here, and let me put your hair in the mohawk, and they were all like, this works, this all is good. And nobody thought to actually double check and ask for another person's opinion. Not that anybody asked for my opinion. This is shit. This look is shit, not only because I did it with my fingers, because the look was already shit. I mean, I felt that this is appropriate to try to do with my fingers, because how much worse could it be than the original? And honestly, not much. I need to stop shitting on Jojo Siwa because all her fans are gonna like come for me. Please don't come for me. I actually like her as a person. I have nothing against Jojo Siwa, just I have low tolerance for bullshit. And this bullshit, just let's be honest, this is bullshit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video parody. We're calling it a parody because I don't want to get sued by Jojo Siwa. Please don't sue me. I love you. I hope you guys try to do your makeup with only fingers, and I promise I will do this challenge again, actually doing glam and showing you that it is possible to do your makeup only with fingers and actually do some good glam. Subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials. Not this, I have actually nice looks on there, and I will see you next time.